We get around about 40,000 people a year visiting the island. We're finding more and more people are coming to the island on kayaks and our own pleasure craft. It's become more and more popular since we converted the building behind us from the old caretaker's cottage built in 1910, and then it sort of started to fall into wreck and ruin. And so we decided to convert it into a hut.
This is the Otamahua Hut on Otamahua, Quail Island. We're here to undertake heritage work where we're replacing weatherboards, windows and painting. This is a dock project. We are in partnership with mana whenua Ngāti Wheke, who are kaitiaki, so entrusted with the responsibility of protecting and caring for Otamahua, Quail Island. Here at Retaining Canterbury, we're a team of qualified carpenters, LBP certified builders. We evolved the business to start working on mainly retaining walls, bridges, landscaping and repairs and maintenance work, also commercial and now heritage work. And what drew me to this project is a passion for heritage work and preserving the heritage values of old buildings like the one behind us. The collaboration with DOC has been great on this job. The individual rangers that are out here have been instrumental to getting our product to site, so I just thank them.
The arts and crafts for actually doing the work that the way these buildings were built is hard to find now. It's important to keep our history, but it's also important to be able to utilise those buildings as well. Retaining Canterbury are a really good firm to work with. They are really focused on the heritage aspect and making sure that they retain as much of that fabric as possible. So yeah, I'd have no trouble at all recommending Retaining Canterbury for any future work.
The results speak for themselves. This building will last for years to come. The heritage value has been maintained, and just look at it. It looks fabulous. Everyone's done a great job. If you're considering taking on any heritage projects, don't hesitate to reach out to Retaining Canterbury.